Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring. On today's episode, we're going to be showing you how to change out your battery on your Mazda key fob. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. We're going to be right back. Alright everybody, well like I was saying, we're going to be showing you how to change out your key fob battery on your Mazda key fob that looks like this. So if yours looks different, then this may not work for you, but this is for this style Mazda key fob. Now keep in mind, you will need a CR2025 battery to replace in this key fob, so make sure you have that handy. And the only other thing you're going to really need is some sort of pry tool, which I always like using these plastic pry tools. A lot better on these plastic cases, so this way you don't bend or chip or break the case. So these are really nice to have. If you don't, I guess you could use a screwdriver, but just be very careful. First things first, you want to take the key out of the back of the remote here. So what you want to do is pull this little lever here and pull the physical key out of the remote like so. Once you have the key out, you want to look at these two spots right here. And what this is, we just got to separate these from the main chassis. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put this pry tool in here and kind of pry up and push it out a little bit, like towards my finger here, just like that. So it separates the casing like so. And we're going to do that on both sides just until it separates. Make sure you take your time not to break anything. All right, like so. So now we see we have a gap here and a gap here on this side. And then all we're going to do is we're going to take this tool and we're just going to go up the seam and wait till that separates like so. Try to do the same on the other side. Like that. There we go. We heard those snaps. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of pry this open from the top side like that. And there we go. We have the case separated already. It's that simple. And then just below this, you can see it's labeled CR2025 battery. All you're going to do is take that off. Very simple. And then there is your battery. So then to get the battery out, it's pretty simple. Just kind of push it to the side and the battery comes right out. And there you are. And of course, as you can tell, this does have a small O-ring in here just for, weatherproofing, just so you don't get any moisture or water inside the battery compartment. So make sure that O-ring looks good. And, obviously you don't want to damage that at all as well. Once you get your replacement battery, go ahead and slide it back into the remote like so. And then put that cap back on. And just make sure that it is relatively tight to the body so that seal is as good as possible. And then what we're going to do is just take the top of the remote here, slide that back on the top first, and then kind of work our way down, pushing the sides down evenly. And then the edges, like so, and there we are. Now those gaps are gone. It is sealed. We can put our key back in. And there we are. Well, everybody, I hope that helped you out when changing out your battery on your Mazda key fob. It's actually really simple, and it just don't really need anything other than a small pry tool to open up this remote and pop a battery in, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that thumbs up below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Take a look at some of the other videos while you have the chance. I will put them up right here on the side of the screen. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check us out on our website, techmotoring.com, on Twitter @techmotoring, facebook.com/techmotoring. I'd like to thank you very much again for watching. And remember, welcome to the future and welcome to Tech Motoring. And we'll see you on the next episode.